In front of us now we have our universal dual battery system. So this kit's designed for an auxiliary battery that's mounted in the rear of a vehicle. So that could be a ute in a canopy, on the tray. It could be a surfer, like a van, a camper van, a motorhome. There's lots of options for this kit. It's a universal kit. Comes with 7 meters of cable to go from the front to the rear of the vehicle. So it's designed that this 7 meter cable would be run up into the engine bay, connected to the vehicle's main start battery, which is this section here, all labeled main battery. So we've left this disconnected for an easy way of routing it up to the engine bay. Once you're up there, it's as simple as connecting this fuse, just that 8mm nut there, and connecting these two terminals to the main battery. So that's the first set of connections that are made in this kit. The second set is just to the auxiliary battery that you've mounted down the back. Once again, it's labeled auxiliary battery, and this is the earth. So you're just connecting that to the auxiliary battery. And you can see an example of that right here. This is one kit in a van with a battery right next to the unit. The REDARC chargers there, and their solar input Anderson they've put there. But if you keep watching at the end of the video, we'll have a slideshow of different examples of this kit installed. The other thing that it comes with is the Anderson solar input. So you can either plug fixed solar if it's on the roof permanently, or if you're camping, you can plug in portable solar into this unit, either a solar blanket or a solar panel that's unregulated. So the brains of the system is the REDARC Bcdc1225D. That's this unit here. So while you're traveling along, it's a 25 amp DC charger, charging the battery at 25 amps if required while traveling, and also 25 amps worth of solar. It also has green power priority, so if you have solar permanently mounted on the roof, it will take what it can from solar and take the rest from the vehicle, so it prefers green energy. In the kit is the REDARC instruction manual, the REDARC sticker, cable ties, and nuts and bolts, screws for fixing the harness up throughout the vehicle. So yeah, that's our universal kit. If you want to check us out, you can search newcastleautoelectrical.com or Kurt Sander Mobile Auto Electrician. Go to our website and you can shop for our products on there and see all our other kits available as well.